Hey, look at what I got. Although it's kind of rude that Games Workshop sent one to all the other YouTubers, but didn't send one to me, the one with a whole 9 subscribers. Anyways, look at this. Red stick and orange things. Oh, look at this. Pre-smudged. Oh, but look at the Praetors. Oh, and the Beakies. Interestingly, it's all the same sprue. Each one has 5 guys on it, and there are 8 identical sprues. As much as I don't like how monopose that makes them, it does probably cut down on the cost. And they are not as bad as, say, the Chaos Marines or Sisters of Battle, but still not as good as the glorious Tactical Marine box. Ah, the Cataphracti Terminators. Egg already got some for their Chaos Terminators, so I'm already familiar with them, and they're admittedly my least favorite Terminators. I mean, I still like them, but Indominus Pattern is my personal favorite. Oh wait, there's another sprue for the Tactical Marines. Oh, this is for, like, all the extra stuff, like the sergeants and all the Horus Heresy things you can add on to Tactical Marines. Oh, and look at this power sword that isn't lame, and I got 4 of them. And here's some stuff for the Spartan. Oh, and the Mark II guy. Oh ho ho, you're not going on this tank. I'm gonna make you into a Tactical Marine. Or, oh, I could make you into the Master of the Forge. Oh, if you've seen our Artificer advice on Space Marine armor, then you may remember we said, they may choose another kind of armor. So Tech Marines would probably like it. And this chest plate already looks like a more blocky Blood Angels chest plate. All I have to do is add nipples. Quad las cannon stuff. Nah, whatever. That's not as exciting as... Oh, big tank bits. Oh, what are the arms doing on this sprue? Oh well, despite being a Blood Angel, I really like tanks, and this is probably going to be the centerpiece for my army for a while, at least until I get a Storm Raven or a Knight or something. And then here's the Contemptor. Well, I didn't notice at the time, but I have built some of him at the time of writing, and he seems a bit shorter than I imagined. I don't know why. This is a very common thing for me. Back when I got my very first Warhammer box, the Tactical Marines, I thought they were smaller than I imagined. And I don't mean height. Like, I still would have thought the same thing if I got Primaris instead. Like, they should have been this size. Then, when I got my first Rhino with the Blood Angels start collecting, I thought, wait, how am I supposed to fit my Marines in here? Oh no, is the same thing gonna happen with the Spartan? I better have to use both my hands to move it or I'll be sad. Oh, more tank bits. And a big sheet with more minis on the back. Hey, wait a minute. That's the other Contemptor that hasn't come out yet. Neat. Kinda sucks this side got damaged. I could have used it as a poster or something. Oh, but here's a big book. Still don't know if I'm gonna play that much. I mean, I'm going to try it. Might as well, since I have the book. But I don't know. When I first got into Warhammer 40k, I looked at some tutorials on how to play, and it was just way too complicated, and that kind of put me off from playing 40k. I might tell a story of how I got back into Warhammer some other time, but that's not important. What's important is that was 7th edition, and I couldn't get back into Warhammer till 8th, and as many know, the Horus Heresy is based off 7th. So, I don't know. That's not even talking about collecting a whole new army and $70 codexes. Oh, hey look, instructions. Neat. What's this? A piece fell off my templates. I am outraged, GW. I'm never gonna spend money ever again. Anyways, there's also some bases, transfer sheet, and dice. Funny arrow dice. No, another one. Oh hey, I missed this with the book. It comes with 2 reference sheets, one for me and one for you. Also, as a sort of pre-order bonus, there's this thing. It's got some cards. This marble-looking thing I could definitely use for a display or something. And these tokens. They're actually really cool. They're like coins. I expected them to be like bases. Neat.